Home Depot and I'm looking at the lights that are next to my head and above my head. And Lexi's pushing me.
Can't really see.
And
duck. Look at mine. Yeah, quick.
Brush my head. I am so hungry. Like, I'm past hungry. I'm kind of a little bit hangry. I can't do it. It's
Yeah,
like
it doesn't sound
it's like.
I think you're trendy because you're more of like the designer, and I can work.
So you're tart?
So I'll
But I
be
work
tart.
harder than you. I'm tart and trendy, and this is like fancy.
No, you're trendy, and then. Oh, I go first. I'm tart, and this is trendy.
That was supposed to be a good noise.
I go first. I'm
There's birds on our car.
What? Yesterday and today, I asked myself like every 2 hours what day it was. I had no idea. Like I would be like, is it Friday? And like this is supposed to be the weekend. It's the same as the week.
I know, I did schoolwork.
We got the thin set and grout, and now we gotta bring it inside. Time to put the tile in!
I just drew the line in the part that's not cut. Yeah, instead of the part that I was gonna cut.
Get something heavy. Smash it with your shoe!
So we have been here all day, and it is now 9:30, and I think Ashton is a little too tired. She's going insane.
You struggle.
Gotcha.
Stop the video!
So it is currently 11:13 p.m. at night, and we just got done laying the tile. I've been here forever. He got here like an hour ago. I've been here since this morning. So, time to go home.